Boy, you ever good in a tea? Yeah, man. Those were the days, brother. Yeah, but when you run going to law enforcement, man, I mash up the whole party. Yeah. Brother, the girl, they look good, man. But you have to draw feet. What do you think? Oh. So long way there. Eh? Are you just a link me? Yeah, me know your things set. You always have a bag of things to deal with. Yeah, man. No, you know, you know my thing already. I'm still in the construction business and thing. And why I'm link you because I know you have the funds can be an investor. So I want to bring you in for a project. Yeah, that's why I'm leave the message. Something I take off about. No, man. Real money. Big money. Yeah. So you're interested? Alright, good. No, we can't. I can't link you no time this week. Make it next week, cause my brother in not do so well. Yeah, then one brother me Marcus, him same one. Yeah, man, we're upon amicable terms, you know. But him in the hospital. I don't really know exactly what's going on. From me understand, I get a heart attack or a mild heart attack, and then no. So I go try to find out what's going on. Yeah, man. All right. Really good to hear from your teeth. Yeah, man. Go on, you old coolie bastard. So, you know which part she gone? Yeah, so, alright, how long ago she left? Oh, alright. Yeah, well, don't worry about that. I think I have an idea where she might be. But, you alright? What is on so? Oh, really? Alright, tell you what. Don't worry about it. Maybe I'll come pick you up and I will go have a drink and maybe dinner. I will talk about it. That sound good? Alright, no problem. Cheer up. Yeah, later. Maxine. Yeah, man, I know a long time in a year from me, man. But here are numbers. Why you do something for me? A long time now ask if you don't like this. There is a cell phone number. If I send it to you, can you pinpoint which tower it a pin from? Let me know. Alright, good. I'm gonna send it now. I'm gonna need it ASAP. Alright. Alright, Maxine. You now return my calls. Now answer my message them. Me come find you. Simple 1, 2, 3.
Yes. I just came out of the meeting with the young doctors. Let me tell you, Jamaica has some promising young people. They don't know what storm is going to hit them. All right, not a problem. We will talk later. And it was a good meeting, by the way. Thank you so much for the invite. All right, bye-bye.
vaccine.
Carlton, when did you get back?
Oh, you know something never there.
Well, the fact that you didn't come to the office to look for your little girlfriend made me assume that you were off the island.